Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video guide from Sonya Affiliate, and today I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube Shorts paid me for 3.4 million views on a faceless content. And what do I mean by faceless content? Faceless content is the kind of content that doesn't require me to be on camera, just like this. As you're seeing me now, I don't really have to appear on camera for me to create the content. And it doesn't mean this content is not high quality content, because a lot of people have this misconception that faceless content are low effort content. But that is not the case. Faceless content is just a content that doesn't require you to show your face, which simply means even the days where you're not interested to show your face on camera, you can still make money from any platform whatsoever. So back to the discussion. I had a video that actually went viral, I think a few weeks back, and I was able to reach over 3.4 million views, and it is in the YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to be showing you how much I made, but before that I need you to understand some things about YouTube. You see, there are actually some important metrics that determines how much you make on YouTube. There's something called CPM, which is cost per thousand mile, which is cost per mile, and there's something called RPM, which is rate per thousand mile. Now, your CPM is how much advertisers are willing to pay for a particular video. But when it comes to YouTube Short, the CPM doesn't really apply, because the revenue is mostly shared amongst creators. That's actually what YouTube said on their official page. But there's something called RPM. This RPM determines how much YouTube is going to pay you for 1,000 views on a particular content. 1,000 qualified views. Qualified views is different from just views. Qualified views are people that are qualified for you to earn from, which simply means it is not every view that comes to a video that generates a revenue for you. So you might have a video that actually got 3 million views, and the qualified views is just half of it, 50%, which is 1.5 million views. Now, it is that 1.5 million views that is going to determine how much you will be paid with. So your RPM ranges from 0.1 to 0.5 or thereabout. It depends on the kind of niche you are in and the audience that are watching your content. So I mentioned some things. Now, I said your RPM is what determines how much you make for 1,000 views, qualified views, which means it is not every single view that is qualified on YouTube Shorts, right? And then the geolocation, the people that are watching your content, determines how much you are going to earn. So heading over to my YouTube dashboard now, you'll see that this video actually got 3.4 million views. And if you head over to the earning, you can see that this is the amount that YouTube actually paid for 3.4 million views. Now, this is faceless content. I didn't need to show my face. So if you are interested in actually learning AI automation, in the description I'm going to add a link for you to check out our programs and enroll. See you next time. Have a nice day.